Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to develop a marketing strategy for your Etsy shop by simply using the key shopping dates. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. Um, so the reason why I wanted to talk about this is because one of the most common questions that I get on my Facebook group and also as a freelance is strategy, creating a marketing strategy that you could do months ahead of time so you could be focused and have an idea of what you need to do every single month versus just, today's Monday, let me just, make any post and then upload it without really thinking and putting any input on what you're putting out there in social media or on your website or blog. So, one of the easiest ways to start a marketing plan is using Etsy's key shopping dates. If you go to marketing and you go to key shopping days, you have to log into your Etsy store. Key shopping days, you'll have this little calendar. And this is a great strategy because it's important to think about seasonality, shopping trends, and holidays. And the key shopping days calendar is going to show you some of the key shopping periods coming up and is updated throughout the year with more dates and more suggestions. So this is a great way to keep in mind. For instance, I have a store that's all about wedding. So this will be important for me to know that peak season for wedding is June 1st to late September. That way, if I want to run any promotions, if I need to add more listings to my store, I know, let me start by March. So by June, I have all these listings, and all I have to worry about is marketing my products to drive in the sales because I already did the listing. I'm not trying to do wedding season items on June. You should have them at least 2 months prior, if not at least 30 days prior. That way, when the season comes in, you are already prepped and ready. All you're going to be doing is advertising, running maybe a Facebook campaign. Maybe you're doing an Instagram campaign, a Pinterest campaign. Maybe you're promoting it everywhere, but that's all you're really focusing on. Blog posting. That way you could get more eyes to your blog and therefore drive more traffic to Etsy. But that's what you should be doing. And this is really a cool tool that I think that a lot of people don't take advantage of, that should be using more often, because this is a great way to establish a marketing campaign that will help you with your business goals, be more organized, and stay focused. The worst thing you could do is, not have no marketing plan and you just putting out anything anytime. But if you have a marketing plan, then you know what you're going to be putting out to get the sales and increase click-through rate plus conversions. So what you want to do is, the easiest ways to create the marketing campaign is just to print out or buy. You could buy a calendar, anywhere, or print one out online for free. You print out a calendar and you pre-fill it. So you put these holiday seasons in there. You put back to school in your calendar. And what that's going to do is going to help you understand when are the next, right, key dates that you need to prep for. Now, what you want to do is prep I would say 2 months at least. If you can't, if you want to do it a month before, that's fine. If you could do it 2 months before, that's even better. And what you want to do is prep for those times. And if your store, you're able to add seasonal items, then you will add those seasonal items. Now, once the seasonal items are over with, especially if they clash your niche, then what you could do is take them down. So if you have stuff for the holiday, I have wedding designs that's for Christmas. What I normally do is when Christmas is over, I usually deactivate those listings because if I leave them on for the whole year, I'm just paying money for something that no one's really buying. No one's going to really buy a New Year's invite when it's May. So therefore, I always turn it off. And what I do is a month prior to 2 months prior, I'll go ahead and activate it again to have it already prepped in my store. And the reason why I do that is because I have a marketing calendar, and every month I have set things that I have to do. Usually I try to do it 2 months ahead in case something happens that month or if I'm crazy busy. I'm always ahead of time. So if I have to rearrange it for the following month, at least I know that I have to do that and I'm not bum rushed with so many things to do a month prior. But make sure that you use this key shopping date because it has a lot of important days. It has back to school. It tells you Halloween, Thanksgiving, prepping for the holidays, and so on. So this is a really good guide to kind of give you an idea when are the most or when are the peak seasons for certain things, or when do back to school stars specials or Thanksgiving specials, when you should be prepping for it. So for instance, Thanksgiving is now till November, but it's recommended you start prepping for it since October. So that gives you an idea that a lot of people like to buy stuff ahead of time. So that way by Thanksgiving they have everything, and that's how you want to think about it. You want to have it available. If you go to Target today, they already, starting in July, if you go to Target, they already have stuff for Halloween, right? They always have it 2 months before. That's a marketing strategy. They have that because there are people out there that like shopping sooner. So if you could do that, if you could add stuff to your store a little bit ahead of your competition, you're going to increase your click-through rate and you're going to increase your conversions because that is a marketing strategy. But if you wait to the last minute to add Halloween items or whatever season you're trying to prep for, you could miss out on a lot of sales. So just keep that in mind. Having it up 2 months ahead, it might sound ludicrous, but if you look at these big major brands, they all do the same thing. There's a marketing plan behind it because people do shop at an earlier time for those things, especially people that are very punctual and they want to get stuff out of the way. So make sure that you start using this key shopping days and apply whatever is in your niche. And if you want to test something else out, then you could do that for that season or for that peak of time. So I hope that this tip will help you to market yourself better on Etsy. That way you could have a successful business plan put together, at least one part of the business plan. There's a lot of other stuff that you need to do, but this is one marketing strategy that you could do right away that's really easy to implement. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions about this, make sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, sharing this video, and also leaving a comment below. Thank you guys for watching.